Today I'm going to share a tasty and tender salmon recipe. We'll need cube salmon fillet, mushrooms, any type of mushrooms, garlic. You can slice it or mince it, do whatever you like with it. For colors, I like to add baby corn, carrots, as well as some greens. I use Brazilian spinach for this. Add oil in a heated wok. Throw in the garlic and let it brown. Once fragrant, add baby corn and carrot. Stir fry till they are slightly softened and then add mushroom. At this point, add your favorite flavoring. If it is up to me, I would just use salt and black pepper. But because my boys are not fans of black pepper, I use oyster sauce instead. Mix them all together. Believe me, this is going to taste so good. Add salmon and stir fry gently. Last but not least, throw in the Brazilian spinach. You have to be careful not to overcook your salmon. The salmon should still be pink in the middle. Salmon that is cooked to medium retains moisture all the way through. If you cook it any further, it will dry out and will be a waste of your money. Can you see that the salmon has already changed color, but they are still pink in the middle? Yeah, they should be about done now. Turn off the heat. Gently press down with a fork, and if the flesh flakes easily and is still pink inside, your salmon is beautifully done. Tasty and moist salmon to die for. Yums!